Hey guys, we're excited for today's project in the shop. We've got our 2022 General XP-4 1000 in here, and we're going to be mounting up a Kolpin snowplow setup. Really looking forward to this. It'll help us plow here around the lodge and our retail store. Everything was packaged really nice and neat. The instructions seem pretty clear. So we're going to get to work and get this installed. We've got our frame kit assembled, bolts are all torqued. Now we're going to mount our blade to the frame kit. We've got the blade mounted up to the frame kit. Now it's time to attach our mount to the vehicle. We're going to crawl under and get started with that. Ready to attach our blade and frame kit to the mount on the frame. Just remove the pins. They've got a pretty slick setup here as we get it in place. Once it falls down, put our pins back in. Then the last thing we have to do is attach our winch, and then we can pick up the blade.
Okay. Go ahead and pull her up.
So our standard blade installation is done. It's really nice, quick, and easy. We've got a few additional accessories that we went with. We've got wings for each side of the blade, as well as a marker kit and High Rise Power Angle kit, where we've got a switch inside that we can change the angle of our blade. It's going to be really nice, so we're going to go ahead and do those installations. Moment of truth, we'll see if everything works. Got power, winch raises, need to, oh man, it rotates. We're gonna mount that direction. Awesome. Button everything up and we're ready to go plow snow. We've got our install and our upgrades complete with our Kolpin plow setup. Really excited to start pushing some snow and see how this thing works. The install was quite a bit easier than what I had expected. Instructions were really clear, and man, now we just need to go plow snow.